So here's how to fix Valorant critical error has occurred message. So first you want to right click on the Windows logo and then go to the device manager, and this should pop up. Now you want to come to display adapters and select your main GPU, right click on it and click update drivers. Now you can search automatically for drivers. Now if there is any drivers, it should start downloading them. You can also search for updated drivers on Windows Update. And in here you want to download and install any relative GPU driver updates. You can also click on advanced options and then optional updates. And in here you want to check any GPU related driver updates by checking the box next to it and then click on download and install to start downloading and installing these updates. Next you want to close this window, right click on Windows logo and click run. Now in here you want to type msconfig, press enter, and it should bring up this window. Next you want to go to services tab and then click on hide all Microsoft services, and then in here you want to click on disable all, and you should leave only VGC ticked. So you want to search for VGC service and then make sure you tick the checkbox next to it if you find it in here. Otherwise, you can click on apply and OK. Now you want to right click on the taskbar and then open task manager, and in here you want to go to services and then open services, and in here you want to look for VGC service, which is all lowercase. Now if you see the service in here, double click on it and then make sure the startup type is set to automatic. Now if the service status says it's stopped, you want to click on the start button and wait for it to start up. Now once it starts up, you want to click on apply and OK. Now if you still don't see it in here, it doesn't matter, it's not a problem, so we can install it later. Now you can close this window. Next, what you want to do is open the Riot client, and in here you want to click on the account logo on the right top and then go to settings. And in here you want to click on Valorant if you have it already installed, and then you want to click on the repair button. Now once the repair process is completed, it should install Vanguard again if it's removed, or repair it. Now you can simply close this and right click on Valorant logo, go to properties, compatibility tab, and in here you want to make sure disable full screen optimizations is checked, and run this program as admin is also checked. And then you can click on apply and OK and then try to run Valorant again. That should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.